Most women will never understand this. And honestly, some of you are the reason it happens. A grown man sits in his car outside his own house, not scrolling, not relaxing, just staring. Because walking inside feels heavier than staying alone in the dark. Not because he doesn't love you, but because being around you reminds him of everything he's failing at. That's the part no one says out loud. Men don't break loudly. They break quietly, right in front of you. And you call it, he's distant, he's lazy, he doesn't communicate. No, he's ashamed. And here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of men don't feel safe with their own woman. Not physically, emotionally. Because every time he opens up, it gets used against him later. Every weakness, remembered. Every mistake, replayed. Every vulnerability, weaponized. So he learns, shut up, provide, feel nothing. And you wonder why he goes silent. You say you want honesty, but when he gives it, you correct him, challenge him, shame him, or lose respect. So now he's trapped. If he speaks, he loses respect. If he stays silent, he loses connection. Either way, he loses. And over time, he stops trying. Not because he doesn't care, but because caring started to feel like a liability. So he escapes. Work, his phone, other women, anything that doesn't make him feel small. And before you get defensive, no, this isn't about babying men. He's a man. He should lead. He should be strong. He should handle pressure. But let's be real for a second. You cannot demand a strong man while constantly putting him in a position where he feels weak. That's not empowerment. That's sabotage. And most women won't admit it, because it's easier to say, men are trash, than to ask, did I become a place where he couldn't be human anymore? So here's the shift. Stop treating his silence like disrespect. Sometimes it's a man choosing silence over being misunderstood one more time. And if you're waiting for him to magically open up again, he won't. Not until he feels one thing, that being honest with you won't cost him his dignity. Until then, he'll sit in that car a little longer each night, choosing peace and isolation over pressure in his own home.